This is the second video of the series Digital Marketing Strategy. It's a blog, and in the blog, we are going to tell you about top 6 reasons why we need digital marketing. This is the blog that I promised about digital marketing. Top 6 reasons why you need digital marketing. You read the blog, the link is there in the description. You read the blog and you will understand why we need digital marketing. You read the blog would include digital marketing, why we need digital marketing, top 6 reasons why digital marketing is essential. It's also talking about digital equivalent. You can understand the equivalents to further your learning and use the experiences that you gathered from these activities, like physical offices, how the physical offices got replaced and with what. The postal mail that was previously used was replaced by what digital equivalent. How the surveys, polls, and market research was replaced the digital equivalents of surveys, polls, and market research. You will understand the digital equivalent of traditional advertising. You will understand the digital equivalents of traditional public relations, and you will understand the digital equivalent of word of mouth marketing. In the blog, you will find all these details with a proper explanation. Thank you for your time. As usual, suitable questions which are posed within first 7 days will be answered via shorts and reels. There is also a parallel blog running alongside these videos. The link is there in the description. Next, we will learn about customer value and how companies can create customer values.